At Club SciKidz, we know that you want to choose the best camp for your child. You need a fun, safe camp where your child will learn new skills from positive role models.
My favorite thing is meeting the kids at the beginning of the week and getting to know them, and then throughout the week get to see their personalities come out and shine a little bit, and then get to see them get super involved in the science. And then at Friday, when it's time to send them off home, I just love to see how much they get comfortable with the science and love the science and become passionate about it.
It's been a great experience. The classes are fun. The camps are fun. I just love it and can't wait to come back next year.
A typical day for us is filled with science and technology. The kids are having tons of fun and they're learning things that they never even knew existed. We are exposing children to out-of-this-world experiments, and there's just no camp like us. Regardless of what your camper enjoys, we have a camp for them.
Our day is a good mix of hands-on science activities, team building, and organized outdoor play. I love teaching Lego robotics because I get to learn about the kids and who they are and where they come from, but also because I get to see how smart these kids are, and to see how they can put something together and make it move is pretty amazing.
For the camp that I'm teaching this week, I am teaching junior robot engineer. And so for every lesson, I make sure that I incorporate some kind of science lesson.
I just made a robot.
And just being with the kids is just super fun.
Our daughter has benefited a lot from the camp. From the science perspective, she actually learns a lot. And she's coming home every day trying to tell us everything that she's learning. We're looking for a science-based camp, and it was very hard to find. And when we found it, we knew we had to get in here, and it's been great since.
I was a counselor first, and then I was a psych director, and I love seeing kids have fun and not realize that they're learning all at the same time. And it's really fun to see kids come in and day out. They get so in depth into their activities and with their teachers, and you can build relationships with those kids, ask them questions, and then really see how much knowledge they can hold in their brain.
I'm building a motorbike.
I'm building a driving bike.
We offer amazing science-themed camps that focus on everything from veterinary medicine to zombie effects. Planning your child's activities can be overwhelming, but we make it easy. We'll engage your kids in learning new skills with like-minded friends, and they will beg you to come back. In fact, 70% of our campers each year come from referrals and repeat business. So visit our website and get to know us. Choose a camp with your camper and register online now. Club SciKidz, where science and technology connect.